This time, we take you to the big and loud Oktoberfest company party, but first, let's deal with some organizing stuff. Imagine your company is organizing a party to celebrate Oktoberfest. You're responsible for making it work. Employees, one by one, have to decide whether they need transport or take their own car and, consequently, what kind of beer they want, alcohol-free or the opposite, and which one. First of all, vacations mean a lot of expenses: transportation, hotel, food, event tickets, and, of course, beer. Luckily, you can add all of your expenses in one place and understand how much it would cost before the trip itself. Let's add our expenses to the Expenses tab within Cost Tracker. There are two types of expenses: one-time and recurring. One-time expenses won't be automatically repeated. But if you plan to visit Oktoberfest event every year, you can set up expenses as recurring. But what's important to remember during vacation period? You need to close all tasks and complete all reports. This is where time and cost reports come to help you save time on manual calculations. Imagine you're enjoying your beer at the fest and receiving an angry message from a stakeholder, demanding to know how much his project cost. You need to open and calculate manually work logs together with direct and indirect expenses, and all of this after a few beers. Impossible. Good news, all reports are generated in seconds, and you can do it anytime. Additionally, the issue widget will help you know the issue cost directly in each issue. So, sit down, relax, and enjoy your vacation without thinking of uncompleted reports. With Cost Tracker, you can manage your expenses effortlessly, even while enjoying the festivities.